Why don't senior citizens use bookmarks when they travel? Because every time they start reading a new travel guide, their travelling companion leans over and says, "Oh, I've been there. Let me tell you all about it." And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on travelling companions for seniors. Tip 1. Assess travel styles and preferences. Each individual has different travel preferences. It's important to consider factors like destinations, health conditions, pace, interests, and budgets. Make sure you discuss with your prospective travel companion what you both want from the trip and ensure you are both on the same page regarding these factors. Tip 2. Plan together. To ensure harmony throughout your trip, it's vital that you plan together. This can include hotel accommodations, meal plans, activities, and so forth. This is also a great way to discover if you and your travel buddy are compatible. Tip 3. A trial run. Before embarking on a long trip, it may be helpful to do a trial run. This could be a short trip or an overnight stay. This can help reveal important dynamics regarding habits, compatibility, and if you two can really travel together. Tip 4. Understand each other's finances. It's vital to have an open conversation about finances before your trip. Agreeing on a budget reduces the chances of disagreements down the line. Ensure to establish what will be shared expenses and what will be individual expenses. Tip 5. Pack light. For seniors, it's essential to travel light to avoid the strain of lugging around heavy suitcases. Plus, packing light makes it easier when moving between accommodations or navigating public transport. Tip 6. Keep health needs in check. Health is a major consideration when traveling with senior companions. Be sure to have a clear understanding of each other's health issues, if any, plan accordingly for any medications, and know what to do in case of a health emergency. Tip 7. Be flexible. Things don't always go as planned when traveling. Be ready to adapt to changes or make some compromises. Flexibility can help keep the trip enjoyable, even if it strays away from the original plan. Tip 8. Accept individual time. Understand that you and your companion may need alone time. It can be fun to explore together, but spending every moment together may become overwhelming. It's perfectly fine to take time to relax and enjoy some activities independently. Tip 9. Communication is key. Honest and open communication can prevent misunderstandings and conflict. This includes discussing your preferences, habits, or anything else that might impact your travel experience. Tip 10. Respect each other's limits. This goes for both physical and mental limits. Understand each other's ability to do activities, the pace of walking, or dealing with differences in characters. Not overstepping each other's boundaries can help maintain a good relationship throughout the trip. Tip 11. Pick a leader. Though it's important to make mutual decisions, it can be beneficial to have one person as the main organizer. This person can keep travel documents, keep the itinerary on track, and manage time during the trip. However, the chosen leader should be open to suggestions and ideas from the other party.